Next drug is the coconut oil, right? This is also lipid containing crude drugs, and since it is obtained from the coconut fruit, it is known as a coconut oil, right? So all of we are very much aware that what is the coconut fruit, right? You can see into the image how the coconut, which is being used in India for the puja purpose, and it is considered as a very holy fruit, right? In dry condition, it will be like that. Whenever it will be in the tree, like that, it will be green. Now coconut water, it is very famous to drink throughout the South India and even in north also, right? If you the schematic diagram of the coconut tree, if you see, it looks like this only, right? Once if you'll break this fruit, the white color, this the cell particles, the tissues will be there, which can be, which is the eatable. Even the water is very famous to drink, right? So let us understand, try to understand what are the medicinal benefits of the coconut, and how it is useful into the pharmaceutical field. What are the constituents involved in it? The first synonyms, if you see, it is also known as coconut oil, coconut butter, and copra oil, right? Copra, it is also another synonym of the coconut, or it is nariyal also. In Hindi it is called nariyal. Biological source, coconut oil is the oil expressed from the dried solid part of endosperm, right? That one, dried solid part, this one, right? Of endosperm of coconut, like the scientific name is Cocos nucifera lin, belongs to the family Palmae, right? Cocos nucifera lin, Palmae family, right? Geographical source, if you see, coconut is widely distributed throughout the world, right? Wherever sea region or island type of country, definitely they will be having near those the lakes, it will be available, the beaches will be there near the coconut. Water is very famous, right? It is largely cultivated in African and the Southeast Asian countries. Coconut also known as copra, that's what we have seen into the synonyms, copra oil, right? Copra is a dietary as well as industrial product throughout the world. Large quantity of oil is produced in India, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, South Africa, China, Indonesia, and other countries also. In India, Kerala is very famous for the coconut oil. Characteristic, if you see, since it is obtained from the directly from the wild source or own grown plants, right? So the temperature region, the temperate region below 23 degrees centigrade, coconut oil is concrete oil. Coconut butter is a white or pale white untoast mass, odorless, with peculiar coconut odor and a bland taste. Right. So all of you are very much familiar about its color, odor, taste. Its melting point, it is 23 to 26 degrees centigrade. That is the MP of this coconut. It is soluble in 2 volume of alcohol at 60 degree, but highly soluble in chloroform, ether, and carbon disulfide. This is the solubility parameter for the coconut oil. The oil readily becomes rancid on exposure to air. The coconut oil has a highest saponification value 250 to 264, and the lowest iodine value 7 to 10 among the all vegetable oils in common use. So that becomes the specific property for the coconut oil, that it is having highest saponification value and the lowest iodine value, right? If you see the chemical moiety present in the particular oil, coconut obtained from the hard dried endocarp consists of a mixture of triglycerides of saturated fatty acids, right? So remember, triglycerides of saturated fatty acids. The oil contain about 95% of saturated fatty acids with 8 and 10 carbon atoms. So it shows the presence of capralic acid, capric acid, that too, capralic acid 2%, capric acid 50 to 80%, lauric acid 3%, and the myristic acid about 1%, right? So whatever the, it is having very good nutritional value, electrolyte, it is going to restore the electrolytes. That's what the presence of these acids and other things, right? So if you see the uses of this particular oil, it is used as a dietary product in many areas of the world, right? Since it is having good nutritional value. In European pharmacopoeias, fractionated coconut oil is known as thin vegetable oil, right? So in many of the region, even in India and Kerala, they are using for the cooking purpose. Coconut oil they are using for cooking purpose. Coconut endosperm they are crushing into the different types of vegetable, different types of curry, and different types of eatable dishes, right? It is useful as a non-aqueous medium for the oral administration of some medicaments, like it will be medium, right? For oral, right? Which one will be taken by oral route, like tablet, capsule, syrup, so many liquid infusion decoction. So that will be non-aqueous medium, right? It is first of all not aqueous, and it will be act as a medium. Fractionated coconut oil is used as a basis for the preparation of oral suspension of the drugs unstable in aqueous media. Diets based on medium chain triglycerides, including preparations made from coconut oil, are used in conditions associated with malabsorption of fat, such as cystic fibrosis, the enteritis, and osteochondria. Right. So these the two three things are there, which is comes under the malabsorption. Right. So absorption with the any types of condition where it is associated with the malabsorption, or absorption is not taking place properly. That's what. Okay. So abdominal pain and diarrhea have been reported in the patients taking diet based on medium chain triglycerides. It is restoring, right? So that's what the coconut oil, it is famous worldwide, not only for the pharmaceutical purpose, for the dietary purpose, also for the nutritional, because it is having both medicinal value also and nutritional value also. That's what this, because this drug become important.